Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox your purchase failed because something went wrong error. Let's get started. For that, first of all, launch the Roblox application and then log in to your account. Once you've logged in, go ahead and simply tap on the more option. Inside here, you need to go ahead and simply scroll below, then tap on settings. Inside settings, you need to go ahead and simply select payment method, and then verify your card details and make sure your information is correct. Once done, head back to your home screen, open up your settings application, and inside here, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and now you need to go ahead and simply find Roblox and then tap onto it. Now go ahead and tap on upload app, then tap on upload app again. After it is uploaded, you need to go ahead and simply reinstall the app. This will refresh the app files and verify everything. Once it's done, open the Roblox and then try your purchase again. The error should now be fixed. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you